Hi, my name is John of Petershams Millinery and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be opening day 5 in our Countdown to Christmas Millinery Advent Calendar. So if you want to see what's in here, keep on watching. Right, so day 5, and I love how they've wrapped all this up for me. It's beautiful. So let's see. Ooh, some thread in my favourite colours. Oh my god, these girls know me well. So how gorgeous are these colours of these super high quality Gutterman threads? We love the colours, but we also find they are the best threads around. And I agree. Gutterman threads are the best. And these colours we have a like a neon fuchsia pink, and we also have like a neon yellow, bright yellow, slightly mustardy in some. No, that's definitely a bright yellow. On camera it's showing like a neon, but in reality it's more like a just a shade darker than a true yellow, which I love these. Just on their website. So for a 100-meter spool, sounds quite a lot. $2.25 each, and these are good threads. You can get the like the bulk ones, but they fray really quickly. Whereas these are very good for sewing through cinema, which is quite sharp, and it starts thinning the thread. So definitely these favorite colors. In fact that one now I'm looking at is very pink. Love, you know. So milliners, we need these. Pop them there. Question of the day is, what are you entering into the X Terrace exhibition? Okay, so by this point, I'm not sure. By this point, it should be entered. This is going up on the 5th of December. Okay. I'm gonna do a sneak peek, but it's only a sneak peek. So let me just make sure I don't. Can you see that? Nope. That's all I'm giving you. That's all I'm giving you. This piece, ooh, is huge. That's all I'm saying. If you haven't already, if you couldn't see it, because I don't know if I caught that on camera or not. Like I'm saying, the exhibition, I've gone with Future. The inspiration was more like another 100 years in the future. So we're going to 2120, Ladies' Day at Ascot. The world is like in smog, and you know, I don't know how, in my head, it's just all fantasy, but it's like, and how do women still look good in the smog at Ascot? Which, when do you think about it, they won't be able to see the horses, but hey, it's fantasy. So yeah, hopefully you got to see a bit. You can see just a little, just there. This bit here, this leaf, that's part of Brenda, who is this fern that we've named. Yeah, I know we named her Brenda. But I just love the name Brenda, so we named our fern Brenda. But yes, that is my X-Terrace entry. As of yet, so because obviously I'm pre-recording these, hasn't been entered. Just got a little bit more work on it, but yeah. I'm excited. Although I did hear that a lot of people were entering the retro side, so I'm intrigued to see who does future, or if anybody does retro and future. If you are entering, or if you have entered the exhibition, let me know in the comments down below, and it'd be good to see you all if I get accepted. Who knows? So yeah, thank you very much for joining today. We are a fifth of the way in, plenty more still to do. All the items for everything will be listed in the description box below, so you'll be able to go and get them, buy them as you need. And make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We're releasing videos at 8 p.m. every day this month up to the 25th. And yeah, all my social media is down below as well, so if you want to hit me up on them, feel free. I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 6 in this advent calendar countdown, and have a good evening, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.